Do not make this mistake as a beginner who is starting out in the stock market. Hello everyone, I am Ilomuanya Chiamaka, and this is Starter to Success, where we talk about everything about personal finance, fitness, my starter journey, and my public speaking journey. In today's video, we'll be talking about 5 biggest mistakes investors make as they are starting out in the stock market as an investor. I am here to help you out with every question you have. Feel free to drop them in the comment section, and at the end of the video I will give you a bonus tip on one last mistake I see a whole lot of beginners make, and I would also give you solution on how to avoid this mistake. The first mistake I have noticed investors make is not having an investment plan. You need to have a clear investment plan, how you want to invest, how much you want to be investing, how long you want to be investing for, either monthly, quarterly, weekly, some even do daily. So you need to have a clear investment plan on how you want to start off in your investment journey. So the number 2 biggest mistake is putting all their investments into one basket. What do I mean? Not diversifying your funds, not diversifying your investments. An example could be investing only in one stock, having all your money just in 1 or 2 single stocks. I usually advise beginners to make sure you diversify your funds into the various kinds of stocks that we have. Like I have mentioned in my previous video, we have single stocks, we have exchange traded funds, we have mutual funds, and we have real estate funds. If you watch my previous video, you will see how I have explained all these funds that I have just listed. All right, so feel free to go back to the previous video and gain all the information that you want. All right, so ensure to always diversify your portfolio into these different kinds of stocks that I have just explained. The third biggest mistake beginners make when investing in the stock market is investing in what they don't understand. I have seen a lot of people tell me, oh, everyone is talking about this stock or that stock. You need to do your own research. You need to understand what the company is all about, what industry the company is operating in, how the company funds their daily operations, and every other information you need to have before you make the decision to invest in that particular stock. All right, so do your research. Guys, don't always follow the trends. It may lead you astray. All right, so let's head to the 4th biggest mistake beginners make when investing: letting your emotions drive your decisions. This can also be related to the previous mistake where everyone is talking about a stock and you also want to invest in that stock, do not let your emotions drive you when investing in a particular stock. I know everyone wants to cash out in the stock market, so don't let greed be your major driver when investing in the stock market, just because investing is a long-term play. It's not a short term. It can be a medium term, but always have it at the back of your mind that it is for a long ride. So ensure to not allow greed to be at the forefront of your decision making when investing in the stock market. You need to adopt a disciplined approach when investing in the stock market. All right, guys, so the fifth and final mistake beginners make when investing in the stock market is neglecting to regularly review their investment. The way to avoid this neglect is to constantly schedule a periodic review of your investments. All right, and even if you decide to review them monthly, quarterly, annually, biannually, ensure that you are always going back to your investments to know where to make adjustments. All right, guys, so I promised us that I will give you a bonus mistake that beginners make and the solution as well. And the mistake is reacting to the market volatility. Do not panic when the market price of your stock of your investment drops. You need to know that activity is a normal everyday activity. The same way the stock price would go up due to internal or external factors, the stock price would go down. Now, when the stock price goes down, do not be scared that, oh, I've lost my money, I need to sell, I need to sell. Don't sell your stock. You need to stay the course, because the stock price of that investment will definitely come back up. All right, so the bonus tip is don't panic when the stock price crashes, because if you sell and the market goes up, you are already losing. So it is advised that you stay the course and make sure you don't sell. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope that these biggest mistakes will open your mind on the approach to take when investing in the stock market. It will also help you in diversifying your funds, making you a step closer to your financial independence. All right, until the next video, have a good day. Bye for now.